Trezor wallet versus Mycelium wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both products are in the description below. In this video, we'll compare Trezor and Mycelium, two well-known crypto wallets, to help you decide which one is right for securing your assets. Trezor is a hardware wallet that has built a reputation for its security and reliability. It supports over 1,000 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others, making it a versatile choice for users with diverse portfolios. The Trezor Model T, for example, features a touchscreen, a user-friendly interface, and robust security with offline storage for your private keys. It's ideal for both beginners and experienced users who want a secure, easy-to-use wallet that supports both long-term storage and active use with exchanges, DeFi, and software wallets. Additionally, Trezor offers features like passphrase protection, two-factor authentication, and integration with popular software wallets, which adds a layer of convenience without compromising security. On the other hand, Mycelium is a mobile wallet designed for advanced users who are looking for flexibility and control over their assets. Unlike Trezor, Mycelium is a software wallet, meaning your private keys are stored on your mobile device rather than in offline hardware. It's known for its advanced privacy features, such as the ability to connect to Tor or use stealth mode for added anonymity. Mycelium also supports hardware wallets like Trezor, which adds extra security for users who prefer a hybrid approach. It's particularly appealing to users who want advanced transaction controls like custom fee settings and coin management tools. However, since it's a mobile-only solution, it's not as suitable for those who prioritize the highest level of security. In conclusion, if you're looking for the highest level of security and plan on storing large amounts of crypto over the long term, Trezor is the better choice with its robust hardware-based protection. If you want more flexibility, advanced privacy features, and prefer using your mobile device, Mycelium might be more suited to your needs. Check the description for links to both products and make an informed decision based on your preferences.